Hi, this is Jay from Quantum Flow, and today is Monday, March 11th, 2024. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at QuantumFlobyJTNC to receive daily market recaps. Today, SPY opened down slightly and generally had a choppy, messy day. This is typical of a day leading up to an important economic release, with CPI due out on Tuesday. Traders don't necessarily take risks leading up to these types of reports and hold off taking positions until the market tells them something material. We noted Friday that our Quantum Flows models sold calls for today, implying highs are in for the day, but that a test of the lower trend channel at 508 was likely. The market traded down to 508.50, where it found support and rallied to end the day virtually unchanged. We also stated that the probabilities favored lower prices this week for both the broader market and NVIDIA. And today, NVIDIA continued to retrace, falling another 2%. While we remain bullish overall, buy back up above 503. As we said on Friday, we do believe we are in for a period of weakness lasting perhaps a few days. Tim noted in our pre-market channel that the market would move lower in the morning and that the range on the day would be 508 to 513. He also stated that once we hit one side of the range, meaning the low end here at 508, 508.50, the market would likely recover and end the day pretty much unchanged. Once again, Tim's analysis was as perfect as it gets, and we highly recommend you utilize these post-market recaps and pre-market analysis, which will certainly lead to more money in your account at the end of the day. Again, we post market recaps in the evenings after the close, and Tim updates the model at 8:30 a.m. each morning. Now, while we think the markets may hit pause for a bit, tomorrow's CPI is all important and can move the market materially one way or the other. But until we see the break and close below 503, dips will continue to be bought and the market will rise. For Tuesday, our Quantum Flow model projects SPY's range to be 504 to 518, which is quite a large range, anticipating volatility from tomorrow's CPI report. Remember, we have only had a handful of sessions where we have had 2 down days in a row. And if this pattern holds tomorrow, the trend should resume and prices should again move higher. But models do not know what to expect from news releases, so check in with Tim pre-market after the model incorporates the CPI's news report into the daily predictions for the latest update on the day. Coming into today, dealer positioning had market makers buying 514 calls and selling 517 calls. Selling the calls was used to finance the purchase of the 514 calls in case the market rallied. Dealers also bought 508 puts, which again served as a floor for today's session. Following and understanding dealer positioning certainly can provide an edge to every retail trader, and you should learn how to incorporate this into your day trading. For Tuesday and to the upside, dealers are selling, let's take a look, 513, 515 calls in pretty small size. On the contrary, they are buying in very large size 508 puts, over 5 to 1. Clearly, dealers are worried about CPI coming in hot tomorrow and the market breaking trend. Should prices drop below the lower trend channel at 508, we would expect prices to move rapidly lower to perhaps the 503 level that we have mentioned for several days. But given dealers are not selling large quantities of calls, the upside is potentially unlimited, or perhaps to this 522 level for tomorrow. Again, if we look further out to next Friday, let's take a look. We see dealers are selling the 520 right there and 522 calls 2-to-1 over the puts that they are buying. Again, implying that even if CPI cools and the market moves higher, 522 is likely the top for this week. Deal positioning does change daily, so be sure to check in with Quantum Flow pre-market on our Discord server at 8:30 a.m. for an update for the open each day. And make sure to subscribe and watch these videos after the close for information you can use in your daily trading. Good luck and good trading.